What happened at school today?
Baby sheep.
Babies are sleeping? Yeah. And then what else happened? What did Rava give you?
Didn't.
What'd she give you? A cookie. Wow. It was good.
Hi. Ha.
You said hi? Can you sing Mimi?
Me. Ha.
Ha, ha, ha.
Me.
Me.
I'm not gonna take a papa. Ay, papa.
What does Santa say?
Hello.
I don't think so. Did he say ho, ho, ho? Did you say snowman?
Shama. Hello.
Ho, ho goes Santa. Okay, bye.
Bye.